evening, everyone. Today I want to present my analysis of a teaching video that I watched on YouTube. And then the video shows an English teacher teaching about verbs or action words to young learners. So I will analyze this teaching based on 6 teaching skills. That is set introduction, presentation, questioning, reinforcement, classroom management, and closure. From what I saw, the teacher starts the lesson in a very fun and enthusiastic way. She introduces herself as a teacher Joy and greets the students nicely. She also asks, "Are you ready to learn?" So the students can respond and feel involved from the beginning. Then she used an attention-getting pace, like 1, 2, 3, eyes on me, and then the students will answer 1, 2, eyes on you. This is really effective to make students focus. And after that, the teacher asks the students to stand up and sing an action song. I think this is very good opening because it makes students active and ready to learn. Next, for the explanation part. The teacher explains the material in a simple and clear way. She doesn't directly explain what verbs are. First, she asks students to find some words from the song, like jump, wave, wiggle, and clap. And after that, she explains that those words are called action words or verbs. She also gives a simple definition that verbs are words that show what someone or something does. And in my opinion, this is effective because students will understand the idea first before getting the explanation. And then the questioning skills. So in this skill, the teachers ask several questions to check students' understanding. Most of the questions are simple, like asking students to find verbs in a sentence. She also calls students by their names, like Jonathan, Samantha, and Noah, so they will feel more involved. However, the questions are still basic and focused on remembering, not deeper thinking. But for young learners, I think this is still suitable. For reinforcement, the teacher often gives positive responses like "very good," "that's correct," and then "well done." So this makes students feel more confident and motivated. And then she also used games and group activities, which make the class more fun. At one point, she even gives a group cheer, and this creates a happy classroom atmosphere. For classroom management, I think the teacher managed the class very well because she gives clear instruction before each activity, including what students should do and how much time they have. And then the activity also flows smoothly, from singing, answering questions, playing games, and doing group work. So this variance help students stay focused and not get bored. She also controls the class well by asking students to stand up and sit at the right time. Finally, the closure. I think for this skill, the teacher ends the lesson by giving a written exercise. Students need to identify action words and underline verbs in sentences. So this will help check their understanding. However, the teacher does not really summarize the lesson before ending it. She just closes the class by saying, "See you next time." Even so, the students already practiced the material during the lesson. So I think in conclusion, The teacher shows good teacher skills, especially in making the class fun and interactive. I think the strengths are in the opening, in the explanation, and classroom management. But I think it will be better if teacher adds a short summary at the end of the lesson. Thank you.